Alright, y'all. I'm down here on Aquapond finishing up my year, 2021, by not catching anything. I've caught one little bluegill. I can't find the fish, and when I find them, I can't get them to bite. So anyway, 2021, year 2 for Snakehead TV. I wish I would have got out a little more than I could, but I really can't control when you can fish. You can just control how you fish. Well, anyway, we're gonna take a look back at 2021 to see how it went. I finished up 2021 pretty sick for the holidays. I've been laid up for about 6 days, but feeling better now, so I got out on the water. Probably should have stayed home. Now that I know how to bite is going. But anyway, I didn't have cooties. I took 3 tests, no cooties, just regular sick. So don't worry about that. I didn't have cooties. I was just regular sick. But anyway, we're gonna go over the top 3 catches or top 3 trips of 2021 on Snakehead TV. But first, we're going to have a little montage of all the honorable mentions. So let's check that out.
What we do here is go back.
Blinded by the light. Alright, had a lot of fun this year. And the number 3 trip, catch, whatever, of 2021 was a snakehead trip I took earlier in the year. It wound up being my best limit of bass I caught all year. It went from snakehead beatdown to Call Me Ike Bassmaster Classic. So let's check that out right now. There's one. On the fluke. He hit it as soon as it hit the water. Oh, and there it goes. Oh, there's a bite. There he is. Yep, I think I got him figured out already. They are tight to this cover. They're not chasing nothing. They just want that stuff right in front of them. Oh, this is a bass. It's a good one too. All right, fella. All right, son. I ain't mad at you, homeboy. I ain't mad at you, brother. How about that, y'all? Somebody just asked me, are there any bass left down there in Blackwater? Snakeheads eat them all? Nah, there's plenty of bass. You come down here in the winter, you'll catch more bass than anything. Oh, there's a bite, there's a bite, there's a bite. There he is. That's a good one. Oh, I gotta get him through all this spattered up. Oh, oh, that's a good fish. Oh, it's a big bass. Oh, it's a big old bass. Come on, shorty. There he is. Yeah. He's at least 3. Oh, he wasn't going nowhere. Oh, he does. That's another bass. And there's a big one. Oh. Look at him bulldog. All right. Oh, what's it this time? It's fighting like a snake. I don't think it's a snake. Another bass. There he is. Another big old bass. I got a limit on bass. Oh. Call me Ike. I'm not gonna complain. Doing a little. There he is. There he is. There, finally. Oh. I saw that son of a bitch. I saw him up there in the muck. There he is. Another bass. There's my kicker bass. Look at this guy. What's going on here, fellas? What is going on here? Rolling for that hook set. Another big old bass. That's the big bass of the day. That's 7 bass. Oh, this is a good one. I'll get it in that, bud. Another look at this guy. Healthy fish too. All of them today been healthy, nice and fat, no skinnies. Go on, girl. Yeah, that day wasn't what I had in mind, but I had a lot of fun that day. All right, on to number 2. Number 2 was a day you can't replicate every year. Me and my buddy Joe went up to Pretty Boy for the bluegill spawn, like we've been doing the last few years. And the 17-year cicadas were out. And we took that opportunity to get on some topwater carp action. We were snatching up these cicadas and sending them out there for the carp. And we had a lot of fun catching carp on some light tackle. And I got some really cool footage. The water was so clear. If you could see the carp just torpedoing towards these cicadas when you throw them out there. It was a lot of fun. It was really awesome. Let's check it out.
See anything in there?
Not yet.
Right there, straight ahead, dark spot.
No, I see grass. Look at this. One landed on me.
Where you? Head back toward that yard.
Carp.
Top.
I'm just calling out the carp. They're everywhere.
Oh, there's a shit ton on that in here, a couple weeks back. Be a little spot right here. Right along here, maybe. Look right here where it is.
Carp, carp, carp. Oh my God, there's so many carp. Well, you found the carp. Look at these jokers.
Any beds in there? Some carp in there.
Oh, I think you got it. I got something.
Good deal.
Check that out. Topwater gill.
There was one following it too.
Yeah.
Look at carp.
Check that out, y'all. Got the gill on the topwater. Oh, he's peeing too.
Oh, I got one.
There you go. Got carp?
Yeah. The one that dodged my bobber.
Oh,
You're gonna lift one for me, right?
I got you. Yeah, Joe. He was trying to eat your bobber.
Every time I fucking put a fucking bobber in there, he was nudging it. Hey, follow him right through here.
Have fun.
What? Oh, let me get my pliers. Where are my pliers at? Up here somewhere.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Champion carp fisherman?
Now like a jitterbug.
Oh, I didn't bring my whole box. I just brought a couple things.
It's like one of those jitterbugs when you pull it, the thing spins in the front and makes noise.
Oh, look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. Oh, look at him. That carp is eating it. He's eating it, Joe.
Is he?
Yeah, he's eating it.
There he is.
Yeah, cicada.
Told you all you gotta do is catch them fucking cicadas and put them in a jar.
I'll watch them eat it.
With the fucking bluegill. Decent one too.
I'll watch them eat it.
Some bluegill plays right there. Oh yeah, you catch some cicadas.
The cicada wasn't even on the surface.
It doesn't have to be.
Yeah, the jig sent it down. I'll watch them go down and get it though.
Come on, don't get on the bridge. Got him?
Yep. There it is, y'all, on the cicada.
There's another one. Another good one.
There you go, y'all. Carp on a cicada. Every 17 years. They're getting fat. Carp action.
50 on the good one.
Boat flip challenge.
No. Look like you've been hooked before.
Well, that's just a sword.
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, I got plenty of them too.
Oh!
Oh, I saw it. As soon as you pop it. Red bobber,
As soon as I popped it.
That red bobber don't make no difference. Oh shit. No, as soon as you got that carp out of there, bluegill hit. Good one too.
I've never had carp act like this before. Oh my God.
Good one? That bluegill wasn't afraid to bite after he,
This guy's full of piss and vinegar.
this fish is pissing.
All right, this'll top my last boat flip. This guy's bigger.
Wind's getting up. I mean, walk past it.
Oh! Almost got him.
Get off? No. Oh, come on. You got fish flopping around up here. Carp out of the way, that fucking bluegill buried my shit.
Guys, I've never had a day where the carp are just eating everything. The cicadas have these carp so riled up.
Right on the beds again.
That's got to be a 10-pound smallie, Joe. Fuck with the guys. He heard it.
Now, boozer.
These carp have been on a rampage today. They're in crazy feed mode because of these cicadas. That's probably the last one of the day because I'm done going after these guys. Well, I've had one thing on my mind for the last 6 hours, and that's what I'm about to do. So, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, thanks for watching Hookset TV. Yeah, that was lots of fun that day. And like I said, you can't pull that off every day. You can't pull that off every year. The cicada bite was on. In 17 years, if I'm still around, I'm gonna do it again because it was lots of fun. All right, the #1 moment on Hookset TV in 2021 was also at Pretty Boy, and it was the last cast magic. My buddy E all day was throwing a spinnerbait and just smashing them. From the get, he was throwing that spinnerbait. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna catch him on a jig today. I'm gonna catch him on this, I'm gonna catch him on that. And he schooled me all day with that spinnerbait. So I tied on a spinnerbait. And on the last cast of the day, I got my revenge. Let's check it out.
I saw one come by me, had spots all over. It's a pretty cool looking fish. It was out in the middle, just
go. There he is. First fish of the day. That's a good one too, E. You need help?
Oh my God. I like that. They were talking about black spots. Boy, that is a pretty fish. But
That's a good one, E.
that means...
Oh, that's at least 4 all day.
Something. We're gonna try out our scale. Brand new scale from Amy. Yeah, markings on it though. Beautiful.
That's insane.
I love it. Beauty, beauty. Wasn't even paying attention. Talking about fish. I had my finger on it. 3-3.
All right.
Pretty fish.
Add some, there we go.
Don't know.
There you go, E.
Good fish.
Oh, he's fighting.
He is big time. Strong fish. All right, knee. Don't fail me. Corner mouth just came out. Look. Solid.
Damn, E.
Good fish, bud. Gonna net me on that one. Yeah, I knew you weren't done. Not as big as I thought.
Pretty fish.
I'm gonna stop hogging all these
The heavy fellow there.
yeah, all these trees that I see. Pretty fish. Pretty stuff back in there.
This little blade does not want to spin. Cheap ass Strike King made in Guatemala.
Oh, damn it, Sean.
There you go.
It's like right next to the boat, son. I watched him come up and do it from there. Spinnerbait.
Really? Was it a spinnerbait?
White one.
Damn, E. You make me look like trash on my own video.
Oh, God, my fucking knee is hurting. Quack.
Good, I'm glad your knees hurt, motherfucker. Your back should hurt.
Carry it. Oh. It was literally right there. Oh, he was top of the mouth. I know that hurt, bud. Hurt me taking it out.
Yeah, show it off, you bastard.
Take that out of your mouth for you. Sorry about that. Got a couple black spots on it too. Pretty fish.
Oh, I have to do some editing tonight. I'm about to put a starring thing on there. Starring Eric Spinnerbait Stiegel.
That literally was right here on the end of this log, man. I was about to pull it out of the water.
Well, you showed me up good today.
But it was probably 10 foot off of the tree. Yep.
Oh, there we go, E. That's a big boy. That's a big girl. Yeah, E, in your face. In your face, E.
Wonder what he was throwing.
Stay down, don't you jump. Don't you jump. I said don't jump. Oh, but who caught the big one of the day, E?
That was me. Oh, that's
Yeah, that's a big one.
you could have used the net.
Yeah, E, what? What, E?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you, a spinner bait.
Hell yeah. Beautiful fish.
How about that one, y'all? E wasn't showing up hooks at TV. Not today.
He did leave that last tree for him, though, just saying. Man, that is a beautiful fish, bro. Look at that.
She's gonna weigh good.
Yeah.
Well, she wasn't going nowhere either.
Yeah, you got it good. Look at that thing. Want a closer one?
Yeah, let's do it again.
Okay.
It's pushing 5, E.
Oh, yeah.
Got her?
Yep. Oh. Ooh. Ooh.
5, 5, 6, 8, we'll call it.
Woo.
Yeah, buddy.
Good shit, man. Want to video her going away? Hold on, I'll get double camera angle here.
All right. Thanks for giving me the first cast at that log.
You got it, bro. 5, what? 6, 8?
5, 6, 8, we'll call it.
5, 6, 8. Might have been the last cast of the night. Video.
There she goes.
Shit, brother.
Yeah, boss. Oh, I'm fine making that the last cast.
Hell yeah.
What, E? What? Spinnerbait. That day was a lot of fun. Next year, E, I'm gonna have that spinnerbait tied on from the beginning, so I'm not gonna take it easy on you. All right, y'all. That's 2021. A look back at Hookset TV. On to 2022. Here, what to look forward to in 2022. I'm gonna be a lot less busy, so I should be able to get out on the water a little more than I did in 2021. So I'm gonna take full advantage of that. I'm gonna get after the snakes more than I did this past year. Like I said, I was really busy. I moved further away from all my favorite snakehead spots, but this year I'm gonna get on the snakes a lot more. I'm gonna get out more. I'm not gonna be as busy, like I said, dealing with the house and getting everything settled. I had a lot of trouble with the pool last year, so I spent a few weekends dealing with that. Had to do a lot of landscaping. Like I said, I was busy. But this year, the schedule's gonna open up. I'm gonna get out a lot more. And I wanna do some striper fishing. I haven't done any good striper fishing in a while. So expect a lot of striper videos from the kayak. See if I can pedal this thing fast enough to troll a little bit. You know, cast at some stripers. I know some spots. So we got that to look forward to. So I want to wish everybody Happy New Year. Be safe if you go out there celebrating on New Year's Eve. Don't be stupid. It's amateur night. And thanks for watching Hookset TV, y'all. The best is yet to come.